Behind body and mind prison, there is an eternal. Majority do not understand that they are in jail. If for 5 minutes due to some reason the breathing stops, we are collapsed. We cannot live without breathing. The air for breathing is supplied free of cost. Entire life we spend in so much of hustle and bustle. Did we ever pay attention to breathing? When you get nervous or angry, your breathing fluctuates. It means the rhythm of breathing is linked to your reactions, mental or physical. When you get nervous or angry, at that time, if you are able to correct your breathing rhythm, your nervousness or angriness will slow down and then stop. This simple and effective technique can be applied to all the negative reactions. You happen to sit in front of a person whom you hate. Naturally, after seeing him or her, there will be some reaction from inside. You can just pay attention to your breathing at that time, and in minutes you will be released from the burden of reactions. You will be normal. Remember, we have to be true to ourselves. When we are born, our parents accept us because we are born through their bodies. They nurture us with fear and hopes. Our mind is washed by their ideologies and idiosyncrasies. The upbringing is done under pressure from society and culture. They have hopes from us that when their child will grow up, he or she will earn money, name and fame, and will bring peace and prosperity to them. He or she will keep them happy as they have invested their entire life on them. After that, they will be giving their personal belongings and property to him or her. When we grow up, we get married due to sex, money, security, and to avoid loneliness. From the very first year of marriage, there is constant nagging from the partner. Meanwhile, in between, the child is born, and then we are split into parents, wife, and the child. Life goes on. Under the influence of society, culture, and security, we keep working, whether we like it or not. As we reach 50, parents are gone, we become old, then we have no option left except to accept what we have, and after 70, we may get heart attack or some disease and are gone. This is what normally happens nowadays. We come on earth crying and leave others crying after death. Our travel is from cry to cry. In our day-to-day life, we face lot of negativity. This negativity agitates our mind. Now we have two options, either to see the negativity, agitation, cause, effect, and evaporate it, or find some outlet by which the storm of agitation can pass. Boss said something negative and you got agitated. Either you see the cause-effect moment and see the whole thing as a spectator, or get drowned in agitation. As you see, by seeing the cause-effect movement, slow down occurs and eventually the agitation evaporates. As you carry the agitation within, and when someone dear, your wife, mom or child comes in front of you, the agitation is discharged through them. They serve as an outlet for your agitation and anger. A common man, once charged with agitation, irritation or anger, looks for the outlet. If you don't find some outlet, then it affects your mental and physical health. Usually this outlet is your family, friends, temple, liquor, holidaying, sex, etc. Can there be some effective and positive outlet? When Lord Shiva used to get angry, he used to do Tandav, a dance. This dance served as an outlet to his anger. Not only it used to benefit him mentally as well as physically. Thus, one of the positive outlets can be dance. There is no one in the world except human who can dance in anger. The other positive solution can be diversion of attention. Once struck with agitation, irritation or anger, if we pay attention to our breathing, how unstable it is, and keep focus on the rhythm of breathing, we will notice that it is fast. After paying attention for a minute or so, it gets slowed down because the mind focus is no more on the agitation, irritation or anger, but is on the breathing cycle in, out. The fire of agitation, irritation or anger gets slowed down and extinguishes. Similarly, one can invent n numbers of diversion of attention techniques. Important is the diversion of attention, not on which it is diverted.